Good morning, students! Today, I'm gonna teach you some Tagalog phrases. Let's start with good morning. Who among you knows the Tagalog of good morning?
Woof! Me! Me!
Okay, Shiba, tell us the answer.
The Tagalog of good morning is magandang umaga.
Correct! So when you wake up in the morning, you may tell your parents, magandang umaga.
Magandang umaga, Mama. Magandang umaga, Papa.
Okay, next is, how are you? Do you know the Tagalog of how are you? How are you is, kumusta ka?
Teacher, what do I answer if Panda asks me, kumusta ka?
If you want to tell Panda, I'm fine, you'll say, mabuti naman ako.
Thank you, teacher. Teacher, what's the Tagalog of thank you?
The Tagalog of thank you is, salamat.
Kroko, kumusta ka? Mabuti naman ako. Salamat.
Great! Now, bring out your assignments. I'm gonna pick a fruit and then tell me the Tagalog of it. Let's begin with watermelon,
Pakwan,
apple,
mansanas,
banana.
saging.
Great job! So that's it for today, kids. You may now go and play outside.
Yay!
MingMing's classroom.